Today I want to talk about something simple, but absolutely critical: automated backups of network device configurations. Whether you manage switches, routers, or firewalls, one wrong change or hardware failure can take down entire segments of your infrastructure. That's why scheduled, automated configuration backups aren't just a best practice, they're a safety net. With Red Hat Ansible Automation Platform, you can easily build a repeatable workflow that pulls configurations from your network devices on a schedule and stores them securely. No manual logins, no missed backups, no outdated snapshots. Here's how it works. Inventory and credentials are managed centrally in Ansible Automation Platform. You define a scheduled job that uses Ansible content for Cisco iOS, Juniper, Arista, Palo Alto, and many others. The automation job connects to your devices, runs in a safe, read-only command to capture the configuration, like show running config or git config full, and saves the output to a version directory or a Git repository. So why is this powerful? Let's say a change causes an outage or device fails completely. With a recent config in hand, you don't troubleshoot from scratch, you restore. The right version is already waiting in your automation logs or Git history. Your team can respond quickly and consistently instead of scrambling during an outage. This doesn't just save time, it protects uptime and reduces stress across your entire team. There are a lot of purpose-built network backup tools out there, so why would you use Ansible for configuration backups? Number one, unified automation platform. Ansible is not just a backup tool, it's a platform for all network automation, including configuration backups, provisioning, compliance checks, OS upgrades, and more. Instead of having one tool for backups, another for updates, another for compliance, you consolidate everything into one framework with a consistent language. Number two, vendor agnostic and extensible. Ansible uses collections for numerous network vendors. Again, Cisco, Arista, Juniper, Palo Alto, etc. You're not locked into a single ecosystem or platform, and it's all supported. Most backup tools are optimized for CLI scraping, but Ansible can work across CLI, REST APIs, netconf, and more with role-based logic. And finally, three, integration with broader IT workflows. Ansible can automatically kick off backup before and after a config change, send results to ServiceNow, Slack, Git, or an SIEM platform, combine backups with pre-checks, drift detection, or even event-driven triggers. Whether you're managing a small branch office or a global backbone, backing up your network configurations isn't optional. It's essential. Every minute your team spends recovering from an avoidable outage is time they could be spending on innovation. And while there are plenty of tools that can back up configs, only Red Hat Ansible Automation Platform lets you turn that backup into just one step in a complete scalable automation strategy, secure, repeatable, and fully integrated with your broader IT workflows. Thanks for listening, and happy automating.